There's no doubt that eggs have many health benefits, such as supporting your weight, bettering your eye health, and providing many nutrients, like protein and omega-3 acids. However, new research suggests that it may be better to replace them with other foods that include the same types of nourishment needed for your body. This way, you might stay on track to good health. Today's video will discuss, overeating eggs may not be the healthiest scenario for you. 1. Eggs alone can cause constipation. Eggs have plenty of protein, but they don't have any fiber, which helps aid digestion. 2. Eggs may decrease the chances of living longer. A study found that removing eggs from your diet completely can make you live longer, since the egg yolk has high cholesterol levels. 3. Eggs may cause acne and breakouts. Acne is caused by high levels of progesterone hormones, which eggs are full of. Naturally, our bodies produce these hormones by themselves, but by eating eggs, we are just adding extra hormones into our bodies. 4. Eating a lot of eggs might increase the chances of heart disease. 5. Eggs might make you bloated. Do you eat eggs on a regular basis? Let me know in the comment section below.